Hi guys, this is David Wynn from August University, and today we're going to talk about an amazing, innovative project called MELD. So I'm super excited about this project. I actually recently was able to speak to the chairman of the company, but in this video, I'm just going to break down what the project is all about, how to get involved with the project, and how to break away from the banks into true freedom when it comes to finances, all right? So let's get to it. All right, guys, so today I'm going to talk about MELD. I recently actually had an interview conversation with the chairman, Ken of MELD. Super exciting project. I'm super bullish on this project. There's going to be a few things in the works before it's ready for its pre-sale. So there's multiple ways you can get involved with the project, but I'm just going to introduce it in this video. So your mental wealth. I love the graphics on the website here, but your mental wealth. I love how they break that down. Crypto, fiat, lend, borrow, and stake. So this is a multi-use platform here, utilizing your crypto to be able to access fiat. So a lot of people, what happens is you're hodling and holding your cryptocurrency, your Bitcoin, your Ethereum, your Cardano, and you know, when you sell, you're nervous about how's that going to impact you when it comes to capital gains and taxes and things like that. So this is actually revolutionizing the industry. There are some alternative projects out there that is trying to change the game when it comes to blockchain and finance and the future of banking, essentially. And MELD is one of those leaders, and it's built on Cardano, so ADA. And so that's completely different than what you're currently seeing out there on the market, right? So the next stage in DeFi functionality is here. MELD is the first decentralized protocol that brings fiat capabilities to crypto, okay? Move between crypto and fiat positions with ease, take out loans, and retain full control of your digital assets, guys. So if you're wondering what to do with your crypto while you're hodling, and obviously with a little bit of a dip in the crypto space, I say a little bit lightly, but when things can go bearish and you don't instead of panic selling, you should be hodling, right? Because long term, we believe in Bitcoin. Long term, we believe in Ethereum and these assets. But you don't want to panic sell and sell your whole bag of crypto. Okay, so for me, I've been hodling Ethereum, Bitcoin, various other cryptocurrencies, and I don't want to sell it all and be stuck without a bag. I want to be able to utilize my assets. So this is one way to do so. Okay, so you guys can check out the white paper here. These are the reasons why you should consider MELD and get involved with the project. So you can get cash loans. Okay, so get an instant loan against your cryptocurrency holdings at a competitive APR, or get a credit line and only pay interest on what you use. So you're only paying interest on the credit line that you're actually utilizing, okay? You can also protect crypto holdings. So don't let today's small expenses erode your crypto investments. Leverage the value of your crypto to borrow cash when you need it. So a lot of us are stuck holding the bag, hodling our crypto, and then when you look at your bank account, you see nothing but zeros. And I'm not talking about a 1 and then a 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. I'm talking about just zeros, because we believe in these projects so much, we believe in our portfolio so much, and cryptocurrency as a whole, that we forget that we actually need to pay our bills. We actually need to pay rent or mortgages and have all these expenses, right? So this is a quick way, a revolutionary way to be able to still keep your crypto, but then have some fiat dollars if necessary. And this is not just it's not a strong focus on the US and Canada, but internationally as well. The US does have more regulatory requirements when it comes to the finance, right? So this is kind of focused on everywhere else in the world, but US can also be involved as well as Canada, okay? So built on Cardano. So I'm a believer in ADA, Cardano. So this is why this is a different type of project. It's going to be the first of its kind from what I'm seeing on Cardano. Okay. So the MELD protocol is built on the Cardano blockchain, a next generation blockchain delivering fast, safe, and cost-effective infrastructure for a new generation of DeFi, guys. DeFi is, in my opinion, the new wave. Banks have been controlling our money for too long, paying 0 interest or 1% interest. And I personally don't love that. I believe that the future is decentralized. I believe the future is in DeFi and being able to kind of borrow on your assets that are appreciating significantly long term. Instead of selling all your crypto assets, you can keep it, but then utilize it as leverage, okay? So decentralized and trustless, a world-class DeFi protocol, MELD uses smart contracts to ensure complete transparency and fairness for all parties, okay? So they're big into fairness, being transparent on what's going on. And you guys can see more about this regarding this topic in the interview that I did, which I'll include down below in this video. Borderless and democratic. So economic and political changes can't alter MELD's smart contracts. Our DeFi protocol is safe from changing laws or unexpected events, okay? Stable yield earnings. Let your crypto work for you. Earn yields from our staking pools, as well rewards in the MELD token. So you can be able to reap rewards in the MELD token as well. So melding crypto plus traditional currency. So I like that melding. It's kind of like that metallic vibe there. Enjoy the benefits of high return cryptocurrency investments and the liquidity of fiat currencies. MELD lets you retain full ownership of your crypto assets with an instant liquidity framework. So this is not going to require a credit check. This is not going to, it's not going to care about if you paid your bills on time. It's not going to care about any of that, your credit history, your credit limits. It's completely decentralized based on crypto assets, okay? Stay long plus get cash. So leverage your crypto holdings for the cash and credit you need. MELD lets you easily borrow fiat against your crypto holdings without having to sell your crypto assets, right? Get a loan plus keep your keys. So use your crypto holdings as collateral to secure low interest loans in fiat without giving up your private keys. With MELD, you can leverage your cryptocurrencies to borrow the cash you need today while still maintaining full control of your crypto portfolio and its future value, okay? So even if you have $100, if you're somewhere in the world where $100 USD is a lot of money, you can have $100 in, let's just say, Cardano or Ethereum, and then borrow out a percentage of that. I don't know the exact numbers, but let's say you had $100, you can borrow $40 or $50. Imagine that, and you still own your $100 in Ethereum or Cardano, right? And then you're paying back at a very low interest rate. So that's amazing and groundbreaking, guys. Money plus Legos. Compatibility is key to the MELD protocol and our goal of being a first-class citizen in the DeFi ecosystem. Each of the core functions in the MELD protocol will be interoperable with other services such as AMMs, LPs, insurance, as well as the rest of the finance tools available. So how it works, you can take out a loan, get your cash, earn yield on your crypto, so you can actually earn interest on your crypto, pay back the loan, and then earn all the time. So take out a loan using the MELD app. So it's supposed to be a very simple visual app that anyone can use based on the chairman, when I spoke to the chairman. Choose how much cash you'd like to borrow, add your crypto as collateral, 2x the amount you'd like to borrow, and lock it into a MELD smart contract. So let's just say if you had $100, you'd be able to borrow $50. That's pretty amazing rates. That's pretty amazing. If you had $1 million in crypto, you can borrow 500,000 worth. So in this case, it's important that you understand how everything works, so you don't get liquidated or anything like that. So that's important that we see the transparency here as this project progresses. You want to know, what the requirements, how we can get liquidated, etc. So you make sure that you guys follow these details, okay? Because obviously it's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. You want to know what you're doing and what you're signing up for when you get into a smart contract like this. Get your cash. Once the smart contract is in place, your loan is electronically transferred to your bank account anywhere in the world. Okay? So you're supposed to be able to actually receive fiat cash into your bank, like a wire transfer into your bank, or you can actually get it in stablecoin as well. Earn yield on your crypto. Your crypto collateral is added to MELD's liquidity pool to generate yield and work for you for the entire lifespan of the loan. So not just utilizing the loan, okay? Your asset is being utilized to earn interest. So you're actually getting interest while you're borrowing on your asset. So that to me is amazing. One other project that I'm super bullish on that I utilize for earning interest on crypto, the moment you take out a loan, you're actually no longer accruing interest. So this is very interesting to me as an alternative to decentralized finance, right? The future of banking, in my opinion. So pay back the loan, make monthly payments to pay back the interest and principal of your loan. Once the loan is paid off, your collateral is released to you. So you get your money back, you get your crypto back, full control once your loan is paid off. Earn all the time, regardless if you are borrowing, lending, staking, or hodling. You are always earning yield from the crypto in your MELD app. So what I'm seeing here is the fact that they're making it a point that you're always accruing interest, whether you're borrowing, staking, it doesn't really matter. They're trying to make you more money, right? Trying to build a community. And for that reason, I like that. I think that they're, based on the interview I had, they're customer focused first, right? And then that is going to give them value as well to grow the company, okay? So they're focused on the people. So the MELD initial Stakepool offering, or ISPO, is a new and unique method for fundraising that is community oriented and safe for all parties involved.
We're able to create and we're able to launch the world's first initial stake pool offering. That's a big deal. You know, we have ICOs, you have IEOs, you have ISOs, and now we're going to have ISPOs. So we're able to come to this and we're able to provide a new perspective, use the tools that are already there in a new way. And if that's not kind of in the spirit of cryptocurrency, then I don't know what is. And so I'm really, really hopeful. I mean, we haven't even started. People have already delegated a 1.5 million ADA.
They're already, but it hasn't started. It hasn't
started yet.
So they have it ready.
They have already delegated, because anybody can delegate. It's just a button. You don't send the crypto to us, right? It's just a simple button in your.
Still have full control.
Totally,
still have full control of your assets.
Pull out anytime you want. But still, people have delegated 1.5 million ADA already, even though we haven't even started.
Well, they like what they're seeing so far. They like what they're seeing in the social media and the Telegram.
I mean, what is to not like? There's no commitment. There's no cost. There's only upside. I mean,
to me, this is amazing. The fact that there's a free way to earn MELD tokens, right? All you have to do is have some ADA and delegate it to this project, to MELD. So there's no cost to you. It's free. And then you get airdrop tokens before the pre-sale goes. So you can get in super early. So I'm gonna include the social media links. I'm in the Telegram group as well. A lot of information there. The whole team's in there. And I'll include all of them down below, as well as the interview that I had with Ken down below. So I'm super bullish on this, guys. So MELD launch Q2, and then initial stake pool offering starts, and then token private sale will start. So you guys gotta get into these projects early so you can reap the benefits early, okay? This is an exciting project. You want to get into projects that actually are doing stuff. You want to get in projects that don't have a use case. This has a strong use case. You know, people are getting tired of the banks not paying us anything on our money, right? And asking questions about every single dollar that we spend. So the token private sale, then the launch of marketing initiatives, and then the partner program launch. So in Q3, you got the MELD app launch. Beta testing of the MELD app begins on mobile and Chrome. MELD app multiple or multi-crypto wallet, support for MELD, and so on and so on. Q4 MELD token launch. MELD token officially launches. MELD reward start. Initial stake pool offering ends. And then fiat loans begin. So a lot of excitement this year, guys. And then there's actually ways to MELD Bitcoin. So there's going to be a MBTC, METH, MBNB, MUSD, and MEUR, which is European. So this is really cool too. So obviously BNB is there, BTC, ETH, so the big three there, okay? The big three. And then 2022 zero interest loans. Whoa, zero interest loans. Self-paying loans. So I heard a little bit about this. This means that literally you're borrowing money, but your interest is making you a certain amount of interest, so that basically the payments are automatically happening for you. So your loan is paying itself off based on the interest accrued. So this is just insane. Collateral support for addition tokens such as comp, dot, link, so Chainlink, MELD Vaults 2.0. So there's a lot of things happening. Obviously, this is just the roadmap and the schedule. Like I said, please click on the social media links down below so you guys can be completely up to date when there are changes. What I like is the fact that they have the whole team up here and everyone has LinkedIn. Okay, you can actually see what they're doing, their history. Ken is an amazing guy. I learned about what he does, how long he's been in the industry, what he did before he got into crypto, etc. And he has a wealth of knowledge and experience. So you can read up on there. Ken is a serial entrepreneur working in the space between technology, design, and data. You can read all this stuff. But Ken's a cool guy. I got to speak with him via interview. You got Win, right? And then you have Dave Lin. You got Lisa Wessel, Thomas, the whole team here, transparent, a little description on what they're doing for the company, right? And yeah, you can check out their LinkedIn as well. So I like the transparency, guys, for long-term projects. I like transparency so that you know that they're real people. They're putting their reputation on the line here, guys. That's why I like this, right? That's why I like this. So if you guys are interested in MELD, please check out the white paper. You can see here on the website. Please get involved in the communities, which I'm going to include down below. And also, I will include a link to the interview I did with the one-on-one I did with Ken Olling. Hopefully I pronounced that right, Olling. And yeah, just super next level informative conversation about the project, okay? I can't do it justice here alone, just doing my video here so you guys can watch the interview. And if you guys are interested, please hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to give you guys raw projects before they even hit the market, before they even hit pre-sale, so you guys can be aware early and often, okay? And we're going to talk about projects that I actually believe in, that I like, or I think that have a huge opportunity for growth. Okay, so this is David Wynn of August University. I do appreciate everyone watching the video on MELD today, and everyone stay positive, right? There's a lot of things going on in the crypto space, but look long term. Where are we going? Invest in the projects you believe in, because even if we go bearish for a while, we're going to come back. It's going to be bigger than ever, okay? So cryptocurrency, in my opinion, the future of finance. Let's get to it. This is David Wynn, August University. Stay bullish, guys, and see you in the next video.